Hello everybody, how is it going? Today we're gonna take a quick look on the unboxing of the brand new Galaxy S8, not the S8 Plus, the regular S8 if you can say regular. But first of all, I must tell you this is my first video of any kind that I'll post on YouTube, and I hope it will not be the last one. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, we have the outer box, if you can say so, with the S8 branding. Have the 64 gig variant, is the standard one. Between the range, the S8 and the S8 Plus. On the back we have the spec sheet. We're gonna get to that later in further videos. Okay, this is the box. It's a very nice presentation, very Samsung-esque. And here it is. In my opinion, it's one of the most beautiful, if not the most beautiful, Android or whatsoever phone that came out until 2017. Okay, let's take it out of the box. Okay. You know, I have fairly large hands, and I must tell this is a very slim phone. It's a very light phone, and it looks amazing. We have the black on black phone. It's the EU variant, and the first feel, I must tell you, it's wonderful. It's cold. It's how a phone should, high-end smartphone should look like in 2017. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's dig in further into the unboxing. Let's take this lid off. Okay. We have the ejection pin here with the QR code. We have some leaflets and informations. I don't think they're very interesting. Okay, let's see what do we have here. All right, it's a full box. We have a USB OTG, very nicely put here. A USB-C adapter to USB with the micro USB. We have for the first time we have a black charging brick, adaptive fast charging, which looks great. This looks amazing. Finally, thank you Samsung for making black accessories for the phone. And then, oh yes, one of the nicest in-your-ear headset tuned by AKG. They are very nicely packaged. They are black, of course, to match with the rest of the phone, and they are some kind of lace type material, not to tangle, I guess. And we have the cable for the charging brick. My first opinion is that Samsung hit home run this year with this model, and I guess people who thought it was the end after the Note 7 battery problem, this phone is amazing looking. I mean, it's like a piece of black metal or something. It looks great. Amazing. And the infamous fingerprint scanner. I don't think it's such a big problem. If you are left-handed, it's okay. If you're right-handed, you can use the other biometrics to unlock the phone. It won't be a problem. This has iris scanner, which work very, very fast. Okay, so this was the unboxing and my first impression of the Galaxy S8. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry for my bad English. I am not an Englishman, as you figured. And I hope we'll see each other again in other videos. I'm gonna take you on a short tour of the specs, of the software, and many other things. Thanks again, and be sure to hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.